My name is Phản Nguyên Sung Ké and I'm studying psychology at RMIT Vietnam. I'm the project manager of Embrace Vietnam.
My name is Nguyễn Hải Nam. I'm the program manager of the project.
Embrace Vietnam is a student-led initiative supported by the Leadership with Action microgrant under RMIT's Student Leadership and Development Program. Our project was created to address an overlooked side of the climate crisis, its impact on mental health.
Embrace Vietnam exists to create a space where young people, mental health professionals, and communities can come together to build resilience and respond to the mental health impacts of climate change.
I started Embrace Vietnam after realizing that conversations about climate change in Vietnam usually focus on environmental or economic impacts, but rarely on how it affects our mental health, especially among young people. I wanted to change that by creating a space where young people can talk about their climate-related emotions, support one another, and turn their anxiety into awareness, action, and resilience. We wanted a resource that truly helps Vietnamese youth recognize and cope with eco-anxiety. So rather than designing it for them, we chose to build it with them, Vietnamese youth. Together with our Youth Advisory Council, we co-created the Embrace Toolkit, a free, interactive resource designed to help young people explore their feelings about the climate crisis and find healthy ways to respond.
One of our biggest challenges was learning how to run a co-design workshop for the toolkit. Thankfully, the Student Leadership Program connected us with Mr. Simon. He invited us to join a dry-run co-design workshop, walking us through every step, from framing discussions and asking the right questions to engaging participants in meaningful dialogue.
After developing the toolkit, we brought it to life during RMIT Sustainability Week through 2 interactive workshops. The workshops attracted a lot of attention, and we were thrilled to engage with so many students, hearing their thoughts and reflections as they explored the toolkit.
Our project brought together students from different disciplines, youth advisors across the country, and mentors from RMIT and beyond.
I only found out about the microgrant with a week to go before the deadline, and those days were chaotic. We were forming a team, looking for mentors, and pulling together a proposal at the very last minute. It was stressful and messy, but felt amazing.
Working on Embrace, I learned to slow down, trust others, and see leadership not as giving direction, but as building connection. I'm grateful to the Student Leadership Program for creating a space where ideas can become real and meaningful.
Leading Embrace taught me that leadership begins with self-leadership. It challenged me to manage my emotions around climate change and support others with clarity and compassion. The program gave me the chance to experiment, to make mistakes, and turn ideas into something meaningful. So to any students thinking about joining, take that step. You don't need everything figured out. What matters is your willingness to start and believe that your voice can create change.